There is a light behind forms. We could call it the life, the soul, or spirit of form. Whatever its name, it is the essence of things, the inner meaning of things. To read a thing well is to divine its inner light. In paragraphs we call it understanding the meaning. In relationships, reading well is the evocation of love. In nature, it is resonance with beauty. The best reading of anything is morphing with light. To get at the inner meaning of a thing, we identify with it, merge with it. And to read well, we must go deep into a thing and deep into ourselves. These two depths are intimately related. Morphing with light is true consciousness, and it is both revelation and self-revelation. Everything is in degrees, and the shades of meaning and degrees of light are of infinite variety. So morphing with light is really a multidimensional process. There are worlds of light behind all forms, and each revelation leads toward the next.